Toady, let's delve into the world of creatine, unraveling its simplicity, understanding why it's essential, the correct way to consume it, and how to maximize muscle mass and strength gains. Let's kick off with a basic understanding of what creatine is all about. Simplifying. Creatine serves as a powerhouse for our muscles. To comprehend why we need creatine as a supplement, it's crucial to grasp that all fuel sources, carbohydrates, fats, and proteins, undergo chemical reactions, ultimately converting into a molecule with an abbreviated form known as ATP. Our body utilizes ATP as a primary energy source. Creatine provides us with the ability to perform more repetitions in a set and enhances strength by accelerating the resynthesis of ATP, essentially boosting energy in our bodies. As your body releases a significant amount of energy during weight training, the demand for ATP dramatically increases. When your muscles are under load, they require hundreds of times more ATP than when you are just watching this video. To delve a bit deeper into how creatine functions, envision a scenario where you're doing a set of bench presses. ATP is sufficient for only one heavy repetition. The question arises, how do we manage the second, third, and subsequent repetitions? In simple terms, your body restores itself through energy chemical processes, termed the phosphocreatine synthesis. To enable this, creatine phosphate is necessary. You might wonder, how was my energy replenished if I've never taken creatine before and have been training diligently? The answer lies in the fact that your body can synthesize creatine independently from amino acids found in proteins. Hence, you naturally replenish your creatine reserves when you consume fish and meat. However, to obtain the creatine equivalent to a teaspoon, you'd need to consume a kilogram of beef. Not only a challenging feat, but also one that might not be absorbed effectively. Therefore, opting for a supplement makes logical sense. In summary, creatine comes in various forms, but the most extensively studied is creatine monohydrate, which is what I recommend using. There are two highly effective options for creatine intake. The first is the linear approach, taking a gram daily for 2 months. After about 10 days, your system gradually fills with the right amount of creatine. The second option is loading, where you consume 20 grams of creatine for 5 consecutive days, splitting the 20 grams into 4 5-gram portions and drinking them throughout the day ensures a rapid increase in creatine levels within your cells. Afterward, you can transition to the regular regimen of 5 grams per day for 6 weeks. Both options work, but I would recommend the loading option as it allows you to feel the substance's effects more quickly. Elevating creatine absorption can be further enhanced by pairing it with sugary treats. This strategic combination triggers an increase in insulin production, effectively acting as a transport system for creatine. Consuming creatine as a snack alongside sweets offers an additional advantage. The surge in insulin levels facilitates the efficient delivery of creatine to muscle cells, optimizing its impact on performance and muscle growth. This sweet synergy not only makes creatine intake more enjoyable, but also maximizes its effectiveness in supporting your fitness goals. So, consider incorporating this tasty tactic for a sweeter and more potent creatine experience. Timing matters when it comes to creatine intake. Extensive research has been conducted on this topic. In brief, the results indicate that taking creatine after a workout is more effective than before. So, it's worthwhile to consider this timing. Now that we've highlighted many positive aspects of creatine, let's, for the sake of objectivity, discuss 2 things that creatine manufacturers may not emphasize. Firstly, creatine might not work for everyone. Some individuals already have naturally high levels of creatine, and without delving into fiber biochemistry, supplements may have little effect. You might only experience a slight performance boost, and the easiest way to find out if creatine works for you is to give it a try. Secondly, weight gain with creatine is often accompanied by water retention. Creatine has this characteristic of holding water in the body, contributing to the initial increase in weight. Keep in mind that when you stop taking creatine, the water weight gradually diminishes. Roughly speaking, gain 3 kilograms while taking it, of which only 1 may persist after a month. This is still beneficial, but be aware that the number on the scale may increase, not only due to muscle growth, but also due to water retention. While creatine offers a valuable boost to workout performance, it's essential to emphasize that it's merely a supplement and not a substitute for a balanced diet and a meticulously crafted training regimen. Creatine works best when integrated into an already optimized fitness routine, enhancing the overall impact of your efforts. Remember, it's a supportive element, not a standalone solution. Consistency in nutrition and training remains paramount for sustained progress. So, continue to prioritize a holistic approach to fitness and let creatine complement your dedication for amplified results in your fitness journey. If you've used creatine before, share your experience. How much did you increase and what kind of recovery did you have after taking creatine? How much did your strength indicators increase? Feel free to share whether it worked for you initially or not. Your feedback is valuable. Don't forget to leave that makes the channel stronger, and to subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos. That's it for now. I wish you success. Take care of yourself.